So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add a page break on the Pages iPhone application. So once you guys are on Pages, if I were to go ahead here and type in page 1, for instance, and I wanted to add a page break all of a sudden, press on the page right here, go to the bottom to this middle bar sort of area, then go to the far right side to where those lines and the plus. Once you're here where it says insert, just scroll down to where it says page break, select it, and then it'll bring you to the second page. So I'll go page 2 right here. And if I were to zoom out here pretty quick, page 2 is right down here. Page 1's here. If I were to zoom out even further, you guys can see both pages just like that. So once again, type on the page, middle bar, far right, page break, etc. to do it that way. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add a page break on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.